Benzel. Welcome back to my channel. We are on day 17 of the July LeetCode or the Juleetcode challenge. I have spent the last almost 3 minutes reading this over, so I'll read it through one more time, but I feel like I have a decent understanding of how I should start this. Specifically, there's something at the bottom that is making me think about using it this way. So without further ado, day 17's question number is 445. Add two numbers 2. So there was a first one to this. I'll have to find it later and practice on it. But you are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The most significant digit comes first, and each of their nodes contains a single digit. Add the two numbers and return the sum as a linked list. You may assume the two numbers do not contain any leading 0 except the number 0 itself. And these are the examples that they gave us here, and then they have the constraints. But they asked if you could solve it without reversing the input lists. So the first instinct after I saw the constraints and read this was to use stack. So you initiate, you create two stacks to store the digits of like L1 and L2. Those are like the two lists. And then we use the carry variable to keep track of any carryover during that addition. So that's just kind of where I'm thinking of right off the bat. So I'm going to write stack 1 equals, and then stack 2 equals. Yeah. Perfect. So we should iterate through L1 to push each digit into stack 1, and then we need to do the same thing with 2. So I'm going to say while L1, and then that'll be L1 equals L1 next. We have to do the append in there, but then we'll be able to initialize that carry variable to keep track of those carryovers, and then from there initialize the result. But then, yeah, let's start there. What do I say? Well, L1, yeah. And I'm going to say stack 1, append L1 value. Yeah, perfect. And then we're just going to say L1 equals L1 next. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this. I'm just going to paste this. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop. I'm going to just change this to L2 because we got stuff to do. It's 12:30, literally on the dot, and I got things. Let's make sure I do this right. No value ask. Okay, those are the constraints. It's guaranteed list. Okay, so let's initialize the result and carry. And we basically need to iterate either of those until either stack is empty and that there's no carryover. So let's say carry has to equal 0, return none. Okay, so go back up here. You have to assume, what do I have to, just making sure I do this right. Okay, so then let's say for an iteration, we pop digits from stack 1 and stack 2 and kind of add them along with that carryover to create a new node for the sum modulo of 10. Yeah, that would make sense. So while stack 1 or stack 2 or carry, we fix stack 1 over here. Did I do that right up there? Yeah, I did. Okay. What did I say? Yeah. Pop digits, add them along with the carryover. Add them along with the carryover and create a new node. Okay. So if stack 1 carry plus equals stack 1 pop it over. And then we'll do the same with stack 2. If stack 2 carry. Wait, why? Stack 2. No, stack 2. I don't think I have to do anything for that iteration of it. Then we have to make that node. So we're going to say node list node carry 10, and then node next will be node next. Yeah, will be the result. And then the result. I have typos in this, I already know. So carry. So, okay, sorry, I'm not explaining this. So we're gonna update the result by making the new node the previous result, and then we're gonna update the carryover by integer dividing the sum by 10. So finally we'll return the result, which represents the sum as a linked list. What did I say, 10? I'm on a little bit of a time crunch. Okay, we're still doing fine. 10 minutes, we're doing okay. Okay, so we just need to return that to represent somewhere in the linked list. Yeah, I think that's it. It seemed pretty intuitive. So just using that stack method, we should be able to do it without reversing the input lists. So let's give it a try. Return invalid syntax. Oh, return. I was like, it's result. It's result, Anna. Gosh. Okay, wrong answers. Let's see why. Okay, so did not get that right. So let's try that again. Let's see, I'm getting 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 4. Okay. Okay. All right. So let me go through this. Stack 1, 2, append the values, 0. Stack 1, stack 2. Maybe I should do what's it called? Not sure. Let's see. L2 next maybe isn't what I should be doing. Well, stack 1 or carry. Maybe I shouldn't be doing carry either. Node, list node. Dividing the sum by 10. Result carry. That feels like it's okay. Carry. This. Oh. I don't know. Pen. I did just delete that one thing. Okay, I guess it was that node area. Cool. Okay, so let's submit this and see how we're doing. Ooh, tight. 73%, but still under 50. My memory's getting better though. Okay, so 13 minutes and 13 seconds. Okay, I feel pretty good about that. Let's see what the editorial says. Not. That's hot. Most significant digit comes first. Yeah. Exactly. Let's see how they did it here. Oh. Okay. So they did it very similar. They did total sum 0, carry 0, and then they went here and broke that down. Similar vibe. Nice. Cool. Yeah, I was wondering. I thought it was add 2 numbers until I saw 445. Nice. Okay, cool. Well, I'm glad we solved that. I don't know why I needed to change that, but anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to post this my GitHub repo in the comment section. Feel free to fork a clone. Try something new. Learn something. Make it better, please. Something with this is just not doing right, and I would love to make that. I would love to do better answers. I would love to make better answers for people. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Jojo just ran up against me. Bye, guys.